Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video clip, I will tell you and show you how you can change your phone number on Facebook. Please friends, leave your likes under the video, write comments after watching, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So friends, let's get into this topic. And please open the Facebook app on your phone. Then at the bottom on the right hand side, go to the menu section. And then, folks, you'll need to tap the gear at the top to go to Facebook settings. Here you will need to open the Meta Account Center. Click on that. Next is Personal Information and Contact Information. So friends, this will take you to a page that has all the contact information that's related to your Facebook. And there can be, as you can see, emails here, as well as a phone number. And in order to change that, you'll need to delete the old phone number. To do that, click on it. And then select Delete Number and confirm your action. Once the number has been deleted, you can add a new contact at the bottom. Select Add Cell Phone Number. After that, friends, you will need to enter your new phone number here that you want to change to. Next, be sure to check your Facebook page to link it to your new number. And also after you have done all of this, at the bottom, click Next. After that, your new phone number will already be added to your Meta account and will be changed. Friends, this is the simple method you will be able to change your phone number on Facebook. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful to you, friends. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write comments, and see you soon.